Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Digicel has filed for bankruptcy, but it insists its day-to-day operations will not be affected by the filing. The bankruptcy filing, which was done before the Bermuda courts, involves the appointment of 3 provisional liquidators from global services firm KPMG. This comes days after the company implemented a group-wide salary reduction. The move is being seen as part of Digicel's attempt to restructure US $1.6 billion of its estimated $7 billion debt. Digicel said the move has the support of over 97% of its bondholders. It says when the arrangement is complete, it will result in a stronger balance sheet with lower debt and financing costs. Higher electricity bills are coming this month for Jamaica Public Service Company JPS customers in light of the slide in the value of the local currency against the US dollar. There will be an average increase of about 7.43%. In a statement, JPS said this means that the average customer who consistently uses 165 kilowatts per hour monthly will pay about $483 more on their bill. Customers whose energy usage rose will see a greater increase. JPS explains that the exchange rate on bills this month is $142.95 to $1 compared to $135.39 in April. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $147.38. The Canadian dollar is going for $106.24. The pound closed at $180.83, while the euro sold for $162.86. The JC index gained 2,365 points today, and the junior market index is up 8 points. Among the winners were Iron Rock Insurance, Signos Credit Investments, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, G West Corporation, and Consolidated Bakeries. On the losing side were 138 Student Living, Key Insurance, Victoria Mutual Investments, General Accident Insurance Company, and Lasco Distributors. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Good evening.